social media tips for businesses. All right, that wasn't very subtle, but there is a reason I said that first, and we'll get to that later. Quick question. When you're looking for a new restaurant, gadget, or destination, where do you go? Google? TikTok? Instagram? Maybe even YouTube Shorts? If you said one of the social media platforms, you're not alone. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, they are more than social platforms. They are search engines, and if your brand isn't optimizing for social search, you're invisible to millions of potential customers. Today, I'm breaking down why social media platforms are the new discovery engines, how consumer behavior has shifted, and most importantly, what your brand needs to do now to show up when people are searching on social. Let's look at the numbers. Nearly 40% of Gen Z prefer TikTok or Instagram over Google search when looking for recommendations. Why? Because they don't just want information, they want experiences. On TikTok, they can watch someone unbox the product, give an authentic review, and see how it fits into real life, all in under 60 seconds. That feels more trustworthy than a list of blue links, right? And YouTube, it's the second largest search engine in the world, powered by billions of how-tos, reviews, tutorials. Instagram has even doubled down on search, making hashtags, captions, and even alt text matter more now than ever. So what does that mean for your business? It means your content strategy can't only be about aesthetically pleasing content. Your posts need to be searchable and discoverable. That starts with keywords in captions and titles. Treat your TikTok captions like mini blog posts. If you're a coffee shop in Austin, your caption shouldn't just say great latte today. It should say best coffee in Austin, local coffee shop review. On-screen text and spoken keywords are just as important, and that's why I started this video the way I did. TikTok and YouTube are transcribing your videos, and if you say keywords like affordable running shoes, it increases your chances of ranking to that target audience. Hashtags and alt text. Yes, they've been around forever and the way that they've been used is evolving, but they're not dead. They act like metadata for platforms to categorize your content. Smart, relevant hashtags and descriptive alt text can help you surface in more searches. Think of your social content like SEO, except faster, trendier, and more visual. Here's a quick framework for optimization. Hook fast. The first 3 seconds should mention the keyword. Example being, looking for the best budget camera in 2025? Let me show you ... Value-driven content. Answer the exact question people are searching. Tutorials, reviews, top 5 lists, explainer reels. This is what people are looking for. Use engagement callouts. Encourage comments. What city should I review next? That signals to the algorithm that your content is useful. Remember, your goal isn't just to entertain, it's to answer questions to people's searches. The bottom line, social media, of course, is where people still come to relax and be entertained, but it's also where they come to search. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram are the discovery engines of 2025. If your brand learns to optimize content for social search, you won't just get views, you'll get discovered by your target audience. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with a friend. We're going to be dropping more and more useful tips for business owners, and please drop us a comment and let us know what you would like us to cover next. Thank you.